Bakit ka pa ulit-ulit sa maling desisyon? Bakit nga ba? Hi guys! Welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Real Talk. Minsan, alam mo na ang sagot, pero pinipili mo pa rin ang mali. Bakit? Kasi familiar ang pain. Mas kilala mo ang sakit kaysa sa disiplina. Hard truth. What you tolerate today becomes your lifestyle tomorrow. Here are 3 practical pattern breakers na pwede nating i-practice. Number 1, pangalanan ng pattern. Hindi ka magbabago kung vague ka. Number 2, change your response, not the situation. Same trigger, different action. Number 3, accept na uncomfortable ang tamang choice. Comfort is not a sign of correctness. Accountability moment. Hindi ka biktima ng circumstance. Ikaw ang decision maker ng buhay mo. I'm Catherine Eucor and you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.